Who is better looking? You better watch out what you say, no?
Okay.
Yeah. What do you, man?
You thought you're good looking.
No, that's not how you only for drink from one glass.
The truth for the toilet because it's all nice. See, I'm good looking. Mommy.
People, really? Mothers always look better.
But me look like him, so me would have said me ugly.
Which part you look like him? Seriously?
If you want it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hey guys, it's Ali, Chrissy, and
Gabby. Hello, everybody.
so guys, we're here representing Jamaica here in Germany.
Yeah, man.
So guys, so today's video, we'll be doing this one challenge going around. It's originally called boyfriend versus girlfriend drinking challenge, but we are going to turn it into,
Something else.
we're going to turn it into mom versus dad drinking challenge. So she's going to ask how many questions?
10.
She's
I
going
have
to
10 questions for you.
She's going to ask me 10 questions and then I'm going to sip which one I think fits more to that question, basically.
Yeah, no.
Okay, go on.
Question number 1. Are you ready? Who you would tell your deepest secrets?
My mommy.
Oh.
Not even have to think too long about that.
Good for you. That glass I can just, no?
She already push my fingers.
Who can tell the better stories?
I try to think more film story.
Sure.
Let's see.
A Nancy story. Mama, mermaid. Who's your name again? Mermaid Mama.
Mama, me no remember. Mermaid, Mama, me no remember. Oh God. Me don't know. Me I gonna say you because I really remember so much of film story them right now.
But you remember mine, Oda? You did have to tell her, every night I have to tell her one story. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, when we did younger guys, she used to tell me story
Younger
every
until
night.
she 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so.
We are used to call over people for sleepover and listen to the story them.
Yeah. I mean, make up them, most of them.
Yeah, but me I talk about
You
general
should write one
story.
book about that.
Oh.
Next time we do a challenge, who is the most annoying daughter? Okay, next question. By the way, you did answer your drink?
Yeah, me the drink
Let's see
yours.
your next now. I'm not say nothing.
If you drink more sips in that one.
Da. Who is better in fixing things?
No, so. My father.
As no?
Mommy, I mean fix things here to house.
Like what?
If
You
I-
fix me door.
If anything mash
So,
up here,
why you
I
not
fix
fix
it.
me door? My lamp there still, no? She not fix nothing. Oh. Alright, I'm going to remember you.
But mommy, not true. All the way the hot water did stop work and I fix it.
So what you want to can fix?
Mommy, everything will mash up with me. Outside that it
I'm
is.
still having it for my door.
Alright, your door next.
Yeah. Oh, hear that? You're my witness. Alright, next question. You better say it right. Who cook it best?
Mommy, you know who cook the best? The father.
What?
Your mommy is surprised.
I don't make a two dumpling.
Best daddy dumpling ever.
What? A hot crush.
Mommy.
We know about a mommy me know. Who love animals more?
My mama, mommy. Even though I like animals too, but.
But you don't really drink. Weil sieht fast gleich aus, ne? Also eigentlich musst du hier mal mehr trinken.
Yeah, I feel one lower.
Also gut. Who from me and your daddy are more afraid to ask questions? Any question for direction, anything.
But mommy, you not ask that as the first question?
No.
Kinda similar. But
No, that are deepest secrets. What I have to do with it?
Okay. I guess.
Shall I complain?
No, me think. I'm not afraid to ask you nothing, so I would have him.
No, I mean that.
What you mean?
I mean who? Me also more afraid to ask other people questions.
Oh.
Nice.
Wait, let me think more that.
Tja,
Who more afraid to ask
2 years later.
I don't know that one there.
And those stories as well. You can ask somebody I know, no?
I guess.
Alright, we just drink it while them empty. 1 sip of that and 3 sip of that. You
Me
should
drink
see a
what?
little
Come
sip
on,
them
no.
also. You should have take a little schnapps glass.
I'm not really so much into Coca-Cola, but that we did have.
Yeah, but only because she too cold for putting some rum in.
Come on, you want to see me drunk on camera? I want to be a good girl.
But that would be a nice movie. Da 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 da. Now is the question of the year: who can drive better?
You always ask a weird question.
Isn't that weird? You don't even know how me drive.
That's the point.
Because we don't have a car here, that's the point. Yeah.
Me never see my mother drive yet to this day.
Yeah, you missed something.
Yeah,
I'm a
so
very
me
fast driver, guys, yeah.
Yeah, him fast too, but
Yeah, but me not drive crazy.
me not know if you compare it to.
Alright. Who can make better drinks?
What do you mean, what kind of drinks?
Well, any drinks, you know, cocktails, drinks, and drink strings.
You
And
ever make me a drinks yet? So ever make me a drinks yet?
no, but also like Jamaican style roots drinks and, you know, red beet juice and lekker stuff like that.
Daddy get that one then. Come in when you can make rules.
Definitely. Them good for everything. From headache to God knows what. I guess them all help against cancer.
Him good pan the food department, the cooking and the juice
Yeah,
making.
and you love to cook. Yeah, okay. Now comes the most question.
Oh God, mommy, you pass it out.
Who is better looking? You better watch out what you say, no?
Okay.
Yeah. What do you, man?
You thought you're good looking.
No, that's not how you only for drink from one glass.
But truth for the toilet because it's all nice see him look good looking. Mommy.
People, really? Mothers always look better.
But me look like him, so me would have said me ugly.
Which part you look like him? Seriously?
Mommy, me look like
Which
him.
part are you look like him? Tell me.
Me ears them.
And you have to say they not look good. No? Also here.
But some me not like me ears them.
Okay, you want to see her ears? Nothing wrong with her ears.
There's
and
then
then
already in other videos.
yeah, you don't notice them. You see anything wrong with the ears?
Me not say nothing wrong with them. Me live with them, right?
Just like me, this me like a small nose. You're lucky you don't get my nose.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have kissed my foot bottom for that.
Alright, mom. Kiss your foot bottom later so me not get your nose.
You hear that?
That you want.
Yeah. Oh, who get easier vex? Who get easier upset?
Make us say you, mommy.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
No, me didn't have to think more than one day.
Let them all look equal. At least you need to drink some more of that. No? So you know what cola tastes like. I only cola and that. She's such a sissy. So, was habe ich denn noch nicht gefragt? So, I ask you everything, oder?
That's all I can
Who
say.
better looking, who get easier vex, better drinks, drive better. Question, who's better fixing things, who can tell the better stories, who cook better, haben wir auch schon. And who you would tell your deepest secrets. Do you have any deep secrets?
That means you ask me everything.
Yeah. And I know she not finished my glass. People, that's lovely.
Guys, I'm sure I did
I make
glass
it
them.
burst to her.
Mommy's glass. I don't know if you can tell. Mommy's glass, daddy's glass.
You're just afraid of your daddy.
Don't tell what Buddha said to me and you.
Yeah, very smart choice, isn't it? So guys, I hope you did enjoy that one.
Yeah, guys, you've made it to the end of another video. Thank you all for clicking on the video. Thank you all for watching the video. And a special thanks to all of you who watched the video to the end. You're a loyal one.
Yes, I really appreciate that.
So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Was it okay? Okay, give it a thumbs up. Did you love the video? Give it a thumbs up and at least one comment. And
Yeah,
if you
one comment
really
would be
loved
nice.
it, give it one thumbs up and at least 2 comments. Okay, guys?
Definitely.
Peace!
Yeah, your heart is a sun and it shines as it opens.
Where your heart is the sun and it shines, says it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun and it shines as it opens.